Hi everyone, I'm Associate Professor Sarah Bice, and in this short video I'm going to show you how to capture and then include videos into your lecture pre-records so that you can have a consistent one-stream lecture with guest lecturers, and your students can just download the one video. So your first step is, once you've got the video that you would like to include in your own lecture, you need to go to, here I'm using YouTube. If you go to share, you can simply copy your link. So I'm going to copy that. And you're going to need to download that video. There are a lot of different devices and software that you can use. I really like 5K Media Player. It's really simple, it's free. It looks a bit dodgy, but it works. So you copy and paste your YouTube link. It's then going to analyze that link. This will take a moment or two, and then you simply click the download button that will appear here, and you go away and you make yourself a cup of coffee, and when you come back, your video will be downloaded and ready for our next step. Okay, so now that you've got your video of choice downloaded, whether you use 5K Video Downloader or any other app, what we're going to do is go into your video editing program here. I'm just using the very simple Windows Photo Editor, and in my project library, I am going to add the video I just downloaded into my collection, and I'll just show you quickly how to put this in to your lecture pre-record so that you can have one seamless video that you provide to your students, and you can top and tail your guest lecture or your guest video with an intro and even an outro, a bit of a reflection. So I'll show you how to do that. So all you need to do is add that particular video to your photo project library, and then here I've already set out the timeline or the storyboard of my lecture pre-record, and the only thing that I need to do now is just drop in my guest lecture video at the spot that I would like, and that's it, folks. You may wish to trim these videos, and I will show you an example of where I've added in an introduction and a little outro, and it just makes it a bit more seamless. But this is the simplest thing to do, and this way, this video is now incorporated into your one lecture pre-record. It's simpler and easier for your students to access. Good luck. But you don't have to take my word for it. Here's entrepreneur Elon Musk in a short 12-minute video explaining climate change mitigation and the role that an energetic society can play in achieving global climate justice. So over to Rocket Man, Elon Musk. And if you don't know him as the Rocket Man, if any of you drive a Tesla, he's that guy.